Are you in search of the perfect electric kettle for your hot beverage needs? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 electric kettles on the market. From rapid boiling to different temperature settings, these electric kettles are designed to make your hot beverage preparation a breeze. And don't forget to check out the description box for more details on the featured electric kettles. Let's get started. Mueller M99S Electric Kettle. The Mueller M99S Electric Kettle is a high-quality, versatile, and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits. Made with the finest quality borosilicate glass, 304 stainless steel, and heat-resistant copolyester, this kettle ensures pure-tasting water and is built to last. The kettle features a high-quality thermostat controller with an auto shut-off function that turns off the kettle within 30 seconds after the water is fully boiling, providing maximum safety. The boil-dry safety feature protects against overheating when there is no water inside. The heat-resistant anti-slip grip handle ensures safe handling, and the cordless design allows for easy and unobstructed pouring. It features a 360-degree clear rotational glass body for precise water measurement, intelligent LED illumination for heating status, and auto thermostat technology that shuts off automatically at 212 degrees Fahrenheit to save energy. The kettle also features a helpful water gauge for precise measurements and the ability to heat up to 7 into 250 milliliter cups at a time. With its sleek and intuitive design, the Mueller M99S Electric Kettle is a convenient and efficient addition to any kitchen. Hamilton Beach 41020C Electric Kettle. The Hamilton Beach 41020C Electric Kettle is a cordless electric kettle that is faster than a microwave and safer than a stovetop kettle. It has a 1.7-liter capacity and operates at 110 volts. It features 6 one-touch temperature settings, allowing you to heat water precisely for different teas, French press coffee, and hot cocoa, ensuring perfect results every time. The kettle also has a keep warm option, which maintains heated water for 30 minutes, making it convenient for refills. This electric kettle offers 6 temperature presets for different types of teas and coffee, eliminating guesswork. It features an LED indicator and a 1.7-liter capacity for convenient use. It operates at 1500 watts of power, bringing water to a boil quickly. The large water window makes it easy to keep track of the water level, and the blue LED lights provide extra light on dark mornings. The interior of both kettles is made of durable, BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel, which is easy to clean and has a max fill line for easy filling. They also feature automatic shoot-off and boil-dry protection for safety. The cordless design makes it convenient for serving at the table without cords getting in the way. Amazon Basics F625C Electric Kettle. Whether you need hot water for a relaxing cup of tea or for culinary purposes, this electric kettle is a practical and convenient choice. This electric kettle is a versatile and efficient appliance that quickly boils water for a variety of purposes, including making herbal tea, hot chocolate, instant soups, and more. It features a 1.7-liter capacity and a powerful 1500-watt heating element, allowing for rapid heating of a large amount of water for your hot beverage or culinary needs. Featuring a sleek glass carafe with a stay-cool handle, this electric kettle is designed for cordless serving, allowing you to easily lift it off the base and serve hot water without being tethered to a cord. The compact design of the kettle makes it a space-saving addition to your countertop or shelf, and the cord wrap recess helps keep the cord neatly stored and out of the way. Safety features of this electric kettle include auto shut-off, blue operational lights that indicate when the kettle is in use, and boil-dry protection, which prevents the kettle from overheating if it runs out of water. These safety features provide peace of mind and ensure safe operation. Culinary Obsession Electric Kettle. The Culinary Obsession Electric Kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen for fast boiling, quiet operation, and easy cleaning. It features a generous 1.8-liter capacity, allowing for quick boiling of water in just 2 minutes, from the minimum fill line or 6 minutes, from the maximum fill line, providing you with hot water for your beverages or culinary needs in no time. The extra-large 4-inch wide lid opens almost 90 degrees, allowing for easy cleaning and refilling with just a single button release. This electric kettle prioritizes safety with its auto shutoff, dry boil protection, and LED indicator lights that provide a quick glance to know if the kettle is on or off, ensuring peace of mind during use. It is plastic-free, ensuring no toxins, flavor contamination, or bad odors. Its stainless steel lid eliminates steam contamination or warping, making it a safe and healthy choice for boiling water. This electric kettle also boasts a sleek design that looks great on any kitchen counter, and it doesn't take up much space. The cordless feature allows for easy pouring anywhere, and the adjustable cord length can be neatly stored within the 360-degree base. With a 1-year, no-risk 100% money-back guarantee and world-class customer service, you can enjoy the convenience and safety of the culinary obsession electric kettle with confidence. Viant Electric Kettle. The Viant Electric Kettle is a premium kitchen appliance designed with safety, convenience, and performance in mind. Made with high-quality materials, including Temp-Tech glass and surgical-grade stainless steel, this kettle is free of BPA and ensures that no plastic touches the water as it heats. It features a powerful 1,500 W heating element for fast boiling, making it perfect for coffee, tea, oatmeal, pasta, and more. Boils water 20% faster than regular kettles for quick and convenient use. The kettle also features a unique cleaning power, allowing water to boil for 30 seconds before automatically shutting off, helping to kill impurities. The wide-mouth design makes it easy to clean and fill, allowing easy access to clean out deposits or rust with vinegar or ecological solutions. The Italian design of this kettle is slim and minimalist, designed to fit well in modern kitchens, and features white LED lighting for a stylish look. The auto shut-off feature turns off the kettle after 30 seconds of boiling, and the boil-dry protection prevents stress use without water, ensuring safety. That's it for our roundup of the best electric kettles. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your search for the perfect electric kettle. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.